Hi everyone, this is Mahmoud. I hope you are all safe and your families in this exceptional time. And I'm really looking forward to meet you all again at KNL very soon, inshallah. Well, I'm going to introduce a new reporting system in our department. In this video, I'll give you a brief introduction about it. And in another video, I will give you a live demo, how to use it and how to submit your statistics on it. The system called statistics reporting system. 2 months ago, 3 months ago in February, we had a discussion with um, Steve Ashraf Falwa and myself, who was QNL applications team, Mohammed Abu Oda and his team, to have a sort of unique and unified system to compile all our statistics and reports, all the information about collections and activities in one source, in one platform, to be able to generate any kind of reports we need. Um, in our department, from time to other, we are getting requests and questions about how many items we have, how many items we purchased in a specific time, um, what is the status of the backlog, how many do we have, in what languages, and so on, and also about the how many items we cataloged, even in specific period or in general. And to answer these questions, we need to go back to different reports, collect them, and provide the proper answer. So this system, the SRS or statistic reporting system, the new system, everyone in our department will be able to access this system. It is online with their own accounts. Then we'll be able to add all the information about the new collections we are having, to submit our weekly reports, our tasks, all of our activities. So by eventually we'll have everything in one source in one place. So then it will be easy to generate any kind of reports we need. The system has two types of users, admin users and regular users. Admin users will be able to generate any kind of reports on collections and the staff members. Regular users will be able to add his own statistics and generate reports on his or her own activities. The system consists of 12 forms, starting from the acquisition form, where we can add all the information about the newly added collection, such as the name of the collection, for example, Sulaiman or Garir or Doha Book Fair, and so on. The BO number if it is available, and if it is purchase or national collection or donation, and so on. And all the information about the quantities and the date of receiving and where is the collection exactly in QNL. The withdrawn form to add any details about the collection we are sending out. Manage collection, the admin user will be able to generate any reports about the collections. Backlog status will be available for everyone in the department to see and follow up the progress in the backlog, how many we got, how many we finished, and how many remainings. Cataloging form, this is for the cataloging team. It's similar as our Excel file that we are submitting weekly, just to add our cataloging activities on this form. Manage cataloging, the cataloger will be able to track his work and export any reports he needs. Acquisition form, it is the same, but for the acquisition team, and also they will be able to manage any reports they need for their own works. Staff tasks, where you can add any relevant tasks you have done and you didn't mention in the cataloging or acquisition form. For example, you did some shelving, you give training for somebody from outside KNL, you did some extra work in in book fair in general, like checking lists and so on. So you need to mention any tasks here in addition to any training, meeting, and so on. Manage tasks, you'll be able to manage and see your tasks during the month, during the year, as you want. An absence form where you can add the any absence you have done. If it is annual leave, official leave, sick leave, training, business trip, and manage absence, you'll be able to generate any reports on your absence. And the admin user will be able to generate reports for the absence for the whole team, So, for example, Steve uh, can generate a report about the absence for the team during the year. So he will be able to see how many days the team were absent or they are not here on the building. So he can estimate the number of days that we worked already, and it will be helpful by eventually to see how many items we acquired, how many items we cataloged in how many days. Finally, that was phase one, and we need to do some testing for this phase. If you have any recommendations, suggestions, we'll share them with applications team to maintain. Uh, the next phase will be mainly to apply any suggestions, and also at the moment we have two proposals in phase two. The first one, distributing tasks within the team. So the admin user or the manager, he can assign specific tasks for the team. For example, Steve can assign task for me to work or to start the cataloging process for Amman Book Fair. So once he assigns the task on the system, I will get a notification that Steve assigned this task for me to start on it. Communication with other departments. In our departments, once we finish with a specific collection, now it's ready for shelving. So once we added this updates on the system, the other department will get a notification from the system that there is a collection in a specific place in the compact ready for shelving. Please go for it. This is a quick introduction about the system. Um, in the second video, I'll give you a live demo on the system, how to use it, how to fill different forms, and you will find a page on Wiki to submit your comments and suggestions. And eventually, we will share with you your logins, your username and password, and the links how to use the system. And I hope it will help us a lot in our work in the future. Thank you.